culture of dialogue, this culture of unity, and this culture of collaboration is encouraged going forward by all communities. First and foremost, we are all Zimbabweans. Together, we are achieving more for the good of our people and our beloved Zimbabwe. But before I conclude, allow me yet again urge us all to remain vigilant to the fight against COVID-19 pandemic. It is pleasing that our prevention measures are showing good results, but we must never relax. Last week saw the rollout of the first phase of our national COVID-19 vaccination program, which targets frontline workers. Social media was saying that the leadership will not be vaccinated. On that particular day, we had various engagements. So I phoned my minister, the vice president, to get the first jab. The vaccine is safe. That you believe, because the vaccine is right, is safe. The vice president of the party, vice president of the republic, and the first jab, he is still here. My cabinet and myself, in 2 weeks, when the next consignment comes, I'll be vaccinated. You'll be vaccinated, and other cabinet ministers when I move on. I assure the nation that more vaccines are coming and the people will have the chance to be vaccinated. Just yesterday at 3:30, I got communication from His Excellency President GCP through his ambassador that because we have received the first one and thank the people of China, government of China, government of China, yesterday they donated another 200,000 doses yesterday. And the Minister of Health, supported by UNURE, they also bought 2 sets yesterday. 600,000 doses, which will come during the first 2 weeks of March, and another 1.2 million doses. So, our money is kubayiwa. Ichasika kuwe ukana asina kubayiwa hawani basa. Kana asina kubayiwa hawani zuko basa. Saka utaona kutoita sei. And the vaccines are free. There are so many companies which have come forward who want to import the vaccines and sell them. We have said no. If any company buys vaccines, that vaccine must be distributed freely. I would like to express profound gratitude of the government of Zimbabwe, the parties and PF, to the President and people of China,